Shot. Travel.
Sit up there.
Good rebound, boy.
Just do a read.
Shot. Good shot, boy. Gotta find that line. Let's get that rock. Take it from him. Good job, man. shot, boy. Go, 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 go. Push, push. All right, box out, box out. Good shot, boy. Get back, get back, get back. Ball coming, ball coming.
Stand up. Kenny, get down, Kenny. Don't let that get in front of that man, Kenny. Get out there.
Get there, good. All right, good. Good job, Ant. Go, Ant. Good defense, boy. Oh, good pass. Ah. Get back, get back. Come on. Backcourt defense. That's backcourt defense, there, bro.
Go back down, stay down, Kenny. Kenny, you gotta stay down, Kenny. Don't follow that man. Stay down. That's your area down there. Kenny, slide in a little bit. Right now. Get on that, Ant. Get on that, Ant.
Good job.
Keep moving, Ant.
Good hustle, boy. On the ground. Go, Kenny, dribble. Go ahead and dribble it, Kenny. It's all good.
Hustle man right there. Get in front of you. Don't let nobody get in front of you, Kenny. Slide out, Kenny. Slide out.
Oh, it look good, bro.
Go. Let's go.
Good pass. Good play. Good pass, D. Good shot, Keith.
Hey, man, next time we get the backboard on that, man.
Yeah.
Backboard on that, man. Go to the hole. Put up them bricks, man. Come on, man. Free throws. Come on, man. We gotta make the free throws count.
Yeah.
Come on, D. Come on, D. Go up, D. Get it.
Get that rebound, Ken. Go, Key, go. Oh, what? Oh, keep your head up, man. Ball coming.
Go. Make it move now.
Yeah, and one.
Blue 2. That's good. 1.
All right, shoot one. Almost hit rim. Hey, don't let the man get behind you. Don't let that man get behind y'all. Always get behind that man when y'all look here. Come on, man.
Oh, good rebound.
Go, D.
Taylor, you got to back off that line so we get 3, man.
Move your feet, don't reach. Yeah, you can move. You can move your feet good all night. Continue to move your feet.
They call it too, bro. Yeah, you can time out. Good job, though. Good job, Gladiators. They call that the 2, bro. Make sure you're gonna have to get deeper for them. Good job, Ant. Way to get down there.
You gotta make a better pass than that. Hey, pass the ball to the man's foot. Move your feet.
Go ahead, Kenny.
Oh, right, Kenny.
Oh. Good job.
Move, D.
What you talking? Tripping. You're a bench warmer. Good shot.
Alright, shoot one. Almost in grill.
Box out. Knock it down. Oh yeah, good shot.
Hold up, big man, hold up.
Good shot. Good rebound.
Hey, you can't just throw that up there.
Who's on the line? White.
Hey, G, you can't just throw that up there. You have to get yourself big go up. Hey, G, what I'm going to do.
Oh yeah. That was a good play.
On the free throw line. On the free throw line, Kenny. Kenny. On the free throw line. Make it cut down. Kenny, where the free throw line at?
go. Let it go, let it go, let him go.
Everybody get in front. Slide out, slide out, slide out.
Good deal. Good shot, boy. Good shot. Oh, yeah. Nice.
Good move, boy. You're being aggressive, boy. Come on, hey, move your feet.
Good hustle, Barack.
Look up, look up, look up, look up.
And one. Good job.
Y'all running the flow like you're supposed to.
Move forward. That's good. One.
Shooting one. Ball must hit rim. Come on, man. Come on, Kay. Get that rock, man. Oh, dude. You had to do this. Look up, look up, look up, look up, look up. Let's get it up.
Yeah, he should. Let you get Kenny. You miss Kenny.
Hey, wait, you got we got to think about that.
Yeah. Good shot, B.
Watch number 12.
Free throw line, Kenny. Free throw line. No. Yeah, he wants to be back, man.
Gotta get your feet set. That was a bad shot. Oh, good steal. Let's go. Take off.
Make a move. Ten seconds. Get back, get back, get back. Get back, something out. Oh, that's all
Good job, Gladiators.
Down that way. Come on, Doc. Come on, Doc. Come on, Doc. White, two.
Man,
Going through y'all.
you gotta move your feet.
Where you at, kid? Too high. Can't wait on the ball, kid.
Good job, Ant. Good job.
Relax in the first one. Alright, let's shoot one. Ball must hit rim. That ball hit the rim, didn't it?
Blue three. Push.
Shooting two. Shooting two. Relax in the first one.
Good shot.
All right, got shoot one. Ball must hit rim.
Good shot. Good job, Kenny. Ah.
First one, backcourt D.
Pull up, boy.
Good. Good job, Key. Oh, yeah.
Set that screen on there,
Okay, guys, read the pass. Okay, Jonathan, over here.
Blue, blue, blue.
Jonathan, rebound.
Good job, Ham.
Go ahead. Go
Ah. Get back, get back. Look at tired out there.
Y'all said I need some rest. Get some rest. Kenny. Right there. Right here.
Look for the ball, look for the ball.
The ball. He popped the milk, D. Hit milk. Pop.
Be ready, be ready. Dribble. Remember the dribble. They get on you, use your dribble. All right, box out. Good shot.
Read the pass, guys. Read the pass.
Make a move and go, man. Go.
Oh, yeah. There you go, Kenny. Oh!
Out. Away. Blue ball.
Good hustle, Kenny. Good job, good job. Inside, yeah.
Read the pass, guys. Read the pass.
And one. Good job, Gladiators. Ah. That was the end one. Then he made the bucket.
Hey man, tighten up, man. Let's go. Straight is right. Great ball.
Come on, bro. Good job. I feel a timeout coming. Keep your head in there, bro. Oh, nice. Nice move, bro. Yeah, good job, Keith. Come on, man, I want 40. Shoot. Use your pivot. Ball fake. Good try, Kenny. Go shoot your free throws, Kenny. Take your time, man. Let's go.
Come on, take your time, you can make it, you can make it.
There you go, that's it. Knock it down.
One.
job, Key.
Good job, Kenny. Good job.
God, the whole team is gonna be point guards. Yeah. Come on, Barack. Good shot. Good shot, Barack.
Overload.
Overload.
No, let's go, Kane. Overload. Just stay deep. There you go. Hey.
Dribble. Start it over. Reset.
Get together.
Ah.
Good hustle, Kenny.
Good job, Kenny.
Hey. Don't worry about the play you want. Turn around. All right, come on. Hey.
Overload.
Go back to him.
Oh, nice. Fake me out, boy. Good one. Man. Good job, bro. What? He hurt. Time out. Yeah, Kenny! Good job, Dallas. Backcourt defense. Come on, Dallas, take your time. Ah, you good, bro. White ball. Oh, 2-2.
Man, you been on your game all night, man. Oh, man, God damn.
Take it out.
Well, I gotta get some of that shit tonight, man. Shoot. Hey, he touched it. Yeah. Get him shooting in.
Bruce. Oh. Shoot it, Ant. Shoot it. job.
Hey, now hustle up. Come get your stuff. Get your stuff. Get your stuff. Get your stuff. Get all your taxes now.